Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Wedding backdrop ideas plays a critical role in setting the stage for a couple's special day, adding a touch of engagement and personality to the celebration. From traditional elegance to modern whimsy, there are countless possibilities to create a memorable backdrop that complements that couple's unique love story for a classic and timeless look. Drapes of following white fabric adorned with fairy lights or floral arrangements execute romance and sophistication. Rustic charm can be achieved with wooden palettes, mason's jars, and wildflowers, evoking a sense of natural beauty. Alternatively, a contemporary touch can be achieved with geometric patterns, acrylic panels, or bold colors, reflecting the couple's modern style. For those seeking a touch of extravagance, cascading cultural curtains or intricate paper art installation can add a touch of opulence to the van. Whether it's an indoor or outdoor setting, a stunning wedding backdrop has the power to create lasting memories and provide the perfect frame for the couple's exchange of vows, making their special day all the more magical. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, like Interior Design channel.